Welcome back to our channel. My name is Srinivas. Today, we have a special guest who is an experienced software engineer. Hello, Ramesh. How are you doing today?
Hi, Srinivas. I am fine, thank you. How is it going for you today?
I am also good. Thank you. We'll be diving into one of the fundamental topics in Java, collections. Let's get started. Can you briefly explain what Java collections are?
Thank you for having me. Java collections are a framework that provides a set of classes and interfaces for storing and manipulating groups of data. It simplifies handling collections of objects, allowing for easier storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data.
That's a great overview. Now, can you explain the main interfaces in the Java collections framework?
Absolutely. The main interfaces include collection, list, set, and map. Collection is the root interface, while list and set extend collection. Lists allow duplicates and maintain order, whereas sets do not allow duplicates and are unordered. Map, on the other hand, is a collection of key-value pairs, allowing you to retrieve values based on their keys.
Interesting. So, can you give us an example of when you would use a list versus a set?
Sure, you would use a list when you need to maintain the order of elements and allow duplicates, like a list of usernames, where some users might share the same name. In contrast, a set is perfect for storing unique values, like a collection of email addresses where duplicates are not allowed.
That makes sense. Now, can you explain the difference between ArrayList and LinkedList?
Definitely. ArrayList uses a dynamic array to store elements, which provides fast random access, but can be slower for insertions and deletions, especially in the middle of the list. LinkedList, on the other hand, uses a doubly linked list, making insertions and deletions faster, but accessing elements is slower since you have to traverse the list.
Great explanation. How about the map interface? What are the differences between HashMap and TreeMap?
Good question. HashMap uses a hash table for storage, providing constant time complexity for basic operations like get and put, assuming the hash function disperses elements properly. It does not maintain any order. On the other hand, TreeMap is implemented using a red-black tree, which maintains a sorted order of its keys, but has a logarithmic time complexity for operations. You would use TreeMap when you need to maintain a sorted order of keys.
I see. Let's touch on concurrency for a moment. How does Java handle concurrent collections?
Java provides thread-safe collections in the java.util.concurrent package. For example, ConcurrentHashMap allows concurrent access and modifications without locking the entire map, which improves performance. It's ideal for scenarios where multiple threads access the collection simultaneously.
Excellent. Lastly, could you share some best practices when working with Java collections?
Certainly. Some best practices include: always choose the right collection type based on your needs. Prefer interfaces over implementations when declaring variables, e.g. list instead of ArrayList, and use the enhanced for loop or streams for iterating collections. Additionally, be mindful of performance implications, especially with large datasets.
Thank you for those insights. This has been a fantastic discussion on Java collections. Before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts or resources you'd recommend for viewers wanting to learn more?
I'd recommend checking out the official Java documentation, as it's very thorough. Additionally, books like Effective Java by Joshua Block provide excellent guidance on best practices in Java, including collections.
Great recommendations. Thank you for joining us today and sharing your knowledge on Java collections. If you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content.